Last time on Kombi Life, we were stuck for 3 long months living in the Arizona desert, working on our newly purchased bus, Boomerang, with the hope of driving him around the world. But this is the first time that Boomerang has moved in many years. We spent far too long in Arizona, and now our time in the USA is running out fast. From here, without help from our friends, we would be screwed. But luckily, we know just the people.
So excited to spend our first night in Boomerang that we actually only made it 5 miles before making camp. This is our very first night in, I was going to say Capito.
It's not Capito, it's
Boomerang. Our very first night in Boomerang. This is our first camp spot. We just made it 5 miles out of Quartzsite.
But man, did those 5 miles feel good. It's great to have our freedom back and be, making our own itinerary or lack of itinerary. But this is our free camp spot for, it's BLM land, right?
Yeah. Oh, a mess. There's no storage, there's no cabinets. So we just had to place everything on the floor here. And tonight we have to shove everything in the front seats. And we've got a little mattress here that we're going to fold out and sleep on. So it's going to be a really interesting night, first night.
Any heating?
No heating, we've got no insulation, we have no curtains.
But no gas for the heater?
No gas for the heater.
What?
It's going to be tough. That's all right, we're happy.
Better bring some grade A cuddles then, Leah.
Yeah. Alaska here has got 3 months of quartzite dust on her. Look, she's just constantly dusty. Look at you. This is our first night in the new bus, and it's not very comfy, as you can see. It's basic.
It's not a home yet, but we're excited. It's a great platform. We've done a lot of hard work, and it's gonna be a home. It's just gonna take a lot more hard work. We're doing things the hard way, but man, is this the exciting stage. I can't wait to see what we can create in this space. On our borrowed engine, we drove around 700 miles northwest into the great state of California to begin the transformation of Boomerang.
So we've just been driving non-stop and seeing people, meeting people.
Did you see that?
The roof's leaking.
Did you see that big drip come down in the middle
It's
here?
been horrible weather here in Northern California. It's been raining and everything's been leaking. We've been finding all the seals are leaking. Look, that's really bad too.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
The windscreen wipers haven't been working while we've been driving in the rain. It's just
torrential
been
downpours, lights flickering on and off. One windscreen wiper sometimes working, the other one's maybe.
Yeah, so it's been interesting.
The dash is looking a lot better, but underneath this there is still a horrible mess of wires which is causing us problems all the time. It's a little bit leaky, the Kombi, but this is the last time that you're going to see it grey. It's in primer currently, which is how it was when we bought it, but we are going to be painting it this week. Vacaville Auto Body Centre. From the front, it just looks like another US body shop, but it has a secret, because out back is hidden one of the best VW restoration shops in America.
at the Vacaville Auto Body Repair, aka Skinner Classics. This is where Robert Skinner has his amazing split window collection, and this is where he does his work to restore buses and to paint them, which is what we're doing. We're getting our Kombi restored and painted, and we're so excited because he is really good at what he does, so we can't wait to see what it's going to turn out like.
My name's Marlo Skinner. I own Vacaville Auto Body and Skinner Classics Restoration. How I got involved in the Volkswagen was met my husband 27 years ago. Our first date was in his bus, and ever since then it has not stopped.
A happy heart.
A happy heart. It keeps our life really exciting. We're on the road, we have adventures, we pull things out of mud, and, you know, just always on the go in pursuit of Volkswagens.
My name is Robert Skinner. For me, myself, I've been recovering buses for 30 plus years. It's just a passion of mine that I've been doing since the early 80s. Skinner Classics is strictly a split bus restoration. We'll do any facet from the beginning to end, the smallest jobs, the largest jobs. So on your personal bus, the stages that we're getting ready to go through, this is a pretty dry vehicle. It doesn't have any serious cracking or anything, so we're actually going to hand prep this bus. These channels are in tip-top shape, so we've got actually some smooth paint in here, and they look really good. I'm really happy. Saves us a lot of work. Luckily, you've got a nice dry bus from Arizona. This is a good bus. We got a nice foundation to start off with, and we're gonna start on it today. We're gonna hit it hard. Woo!
Out with the Fantastic fan and in with the Max fan. The Max fan is bigger, which sucks, but it can be left open in the rain and it can activate automatically to extract heat if the temperatures rise, which is necessary for Africa, Asia, etc, etc. Yep, Alaska, we're doing that for you because we love you.
Skinner Classics was a world apart from Dusty Courtside. And not only were we able to tackle the restoration here, but we were also lucky enough to be staying here on site.
Okay guys, so this is the bus. This is the chocolate tour bus, 62 Kombi, and this is the bus I'm offering to you guys. You guys could drive this bus around. You guys could camp in this bus. It's all set up. This bus has been everywhere from up into Canada all the way through Mexico. So.
Really?
We've had a lot of fun. Yes. It's all set up in the back, camper set up. This thing is ready, camper ready.
Oh,
I promise you'll love it.
it's the first time I'm going to sleep in a splitty.
Oh, good. Awesome. Well, I'm glad it's the chocolate tour bus.
If we were going to restore the bodywork of Boomerang in such a short amount of time, it would need all hands on deck. Our mate Tom drove up from San Diego to help strip Boomerang, and even Brett swung by to lend a hand. This wasn't the first time we'd worked on a Kombi with Brett, and it was great to have him play a part in this project too.
I knew we'd get you working on this bus at some point, Brett.
Yeah. And, looking forward to the finished product. It's going to be great.
We were astonished how little rust this 45-year-old bus had hiding under the seals. What rust was there had been stripped back and neutralised with chemicals. Now we can start building Boomerang back up again. Welcome to another day in Skinner's Paradise. So it's day 3 in Vacaville Auto with Skinner Classics.
Yeah, we spent the weekend prepping the vehicle, getting rid of the rust in the window sills, taking out the windows, and getting it ready for the guys to paint here. So we worked really hard on the weekend, and Skinner worked really hard, and Marlo, his wife. So everyone worked a lot to get this bus ready.
It's incredible how much we're able to accomplish here. Like, having the correct tools enables us to just knock out the job so quickly.
Yeah.
Like, Skinner absolutely knows what he's doing, and like, we are learning so much about bodywork and what it really takes to look after a Volkswagen and keep it on the road. So honestly, we feel so blessed not just to be getting the work done here, but just to be able to take so much knowledge away from this as well. So we've done this in 2 days. Just wait and see what happens from here.
It was soon time to make one of the biggest decisions for Boomerang, his colour. We decided we were going to go for 2 colours. One of them is white, but even picking that was challenging.
I've got a color chip book here with over 3,000 shades of white. And good luck picking that one. So we're gonna tone it down and go to this deck. This is about I don't know, there's at least 100 here, and I'm sure we could pick out a white out of this pile instead of going out of a book with 3,000 shades of white.
You may be thinking, with limited time, is a new paint job really a priority for this project? Well, Boomerang is currently covered in rough primer. He doesn't actually have a top coat of paint. And besides, being a desert bus, he's got minimal rust, and we've been putting a lot of effort into keeping him that way.
A few years back, when we were driving north from South America, I had to stop my travels in Mexico for a roadside restoration. Trust me, I'm speaking from experience here. If we don't seal the shell of Boomerang, rust is going to set in, and set in quickly it will. In Mexico, the work was cheap, but it wasn't exactly professional. At that time, I was stranded for way too long.
It's not really working out like I thought it was going to.
At Skinner Classics, we have 1 week to achieve what took 5 grueling months in Mexico.
So this is, I think it's day 5 now at Skinner's workshop, and just wanted to talk about how amazing they have all been these past 5 days. Not only did they come to the workplace on the weekend to help us out with the bus, but they have just been absolutely amazing. Robert has just been here with us the whole time, guiding us on what to do. He knows everything. He's really knowledgeable about everything. It's like he's very specific about what he does, and he does things right, which is, you know, a great person to have working on our bus, and also teaching us and guiding us and being patient with us. Like, he just spent, you know, time with me today showing me how to do the aluminium window frames and how to like clean them properly and like using the right materials. And his wife Marlo is amazing and kind and just always making sure that we have everything. And I can't wait to see the bus though. When it's finished, it's going to look better than I had imagined. Like, the details that's going on this bus is nothing like we expected. And we knew Skinner was going to be good, but man, like, it's just going to be really, really good. Really excited.
I've got to say, Jorge and Josh working on the body here are absolute masters. They are finding spots. You feel this now, it's completely smooth. It's like it doesn't even look like there's a patch there. I didn't even know that that needed attention. The quality of work is incredible. Can't wait to see it painted.
Take a good look, because this is the last time the bus is going to look like this. Kind of like it. Boomerang is looking amazing. Check him out. So exciting! He looks brand new. So we just got a surprise visit from Keith and Wee Wee, which we're really, really excited about because we haven't met our Patreons in a very long time.
Much. Oh my gosh, I love it so much.
It's super awesome to meet you guys in person. And
Well, thank you.
just being here to be able to say, you know, gosh, you guys encourage you any way possible to take off and do it. We're happy about that.
Yeah, you don't think we're crazy then?
Oh yeah, a little bit. Yeah, absolutely.
So the paint that we used on the bus is a single stage polyurethane that's made by PPG. It's part of their Dell Fleet Essentials line, and it is a lifetime warranty on this paint. It can be mixed pretty much anywhere globally. PPG is global, so if there was any paint issues or you needed paint or a collision happens, you've now got the codes. The product that's on there is single stage, very durable. It's going to last you a long time as long as you maintain your paint, and yeah, it's going to be very durable for you, very roadworthy, and I think it's going to be a very outstanding color for you in the first place. Happy trails, man. Happy trails.
Really exciting, that moment when the paint just starts to come out of the gun and you don't really know what it's going to look like and it just kind of appears before you. That's this moment right now. It looks pretty sweet.
We just received our seals from Wolfsburg West today, so we're really, really excited to be putting on new seals because our ones are cracked and leaking. So we're going to put them on today, hopefully.
Okay, so we are ready for a new windshield, and we are definitely ready for new seals from Wolfsburg West, which, by the way, are the best seals on the market. We have personally used every version of rubber out there. Nothing tops Wolfsburg West rubber. They fit like a dream, and they fit like they should, and they're going to keep the rain and all the problems out. And with the restored seal like this is going to work out fantastic. These things right here are super ribbed, perfect rubber compound, and this thing's going to go in like a glove.
Boomerang! I can't believe how good our bus looks.
Thank you so much.
Honestly, you guys are miracle workers. It's truly been a team effort with a dream outcome that is way better than we had ever imagined. We're driving a Skinner Classics Kombi, and it's going around the world. But not yet. Not like this anyway. Boomerang is about to make another transformation. Our Kombi is about to step into the big leagues, but that is a story for next time.